Well, a huge step tonight toward major police reform in Minneapolis. Today, a judge okayed court-enforceable changes within the department. But some community leaders have mixed feelings. Danny Spiewak explains what's next.
Well, Lauren, it's not a day of celebration necessarily for community leaders, but they say it's still a significant day. With the judge's signature today, Minneapolis police are now officially under court oversight to change the way they police.
After the murder of George Floyd, the Minnesota Department of Human Rights accused Minneapolis police of violating state law with a pattern or practice of race discrimination dating back years.
There was a lot of discrimination going on.
Community activist Tashira Garraway was in the courtroom Thursday when a judge announced she would sign a settlement agreement between the city and state.
I think this is a moment in history.
The 144-page document requires MPD to make sweeping policy changes on everything from training to traffic stops to use of force.
Happy to know that going forward that there's something in place that will hopefully hold human beings accountable.
The settlement agreement requires Minneapolis to hire a group of independent evaluators to monitor progress for up to $1.5 million per year.
The city is motivated, not just for the cost, but we are motivated to make sure that policing in Minneapolis is what the community expects.
The terms of the agreement technically last 4 years.
If at that point in time we're not in full and effective compliance, then we keep going.
Meanwhile, the city is still negotiating with the U.S. Department of Justice on a separate federal agreement known as a consent decree. When that finishes, Minneapolis will become the first city in American history to come under 2 separate court orders for allegations of police misconduct.
Minneapolis is together, and we're going to do this together.
The state and federal allegations against MPD have not surprised community leaders like Pastor Ian Bethel.
We didn't need a judge to rule. The community ruled a long time ago.
That's right.
In court today, lawyers for both sides said they don't anticipate any clashes between the state and federal agreements. And the city right now is working to hire the team of independent evaluators, and they hope that the same firm or group of people will oversee that DOJ agreement as well. Back to you.
Danny, thank you.